Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Let's Claim Premium Arctic Soldier logo of Heroes event in FC Mobile. This is Arne Riise Premium logo. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this Heroes event. And let's jump into the heroes puzzle. So this is the Arctic Soldier Arne Riise. So you can claim this for free premium Arctic Soldier logo by collecting all the puzzle pieces that you can obtain from Heroes Expedition. So you can play this Heroes Expedition. Every 6 hours you can claim the reward. So one of the reward is puzzles, and the other maybe you can get players or coin or jobs. But the important thing is the puzzle pieces itself. So after completing puzzle pieces, you can claim all this premium logo. As you can see, I already claimed the motor, the tricky beast, conductor, flash freeze, and the last one, this is the Arctic Soldier. Let's claim this, the premium Arctic Soldier logo. Tap free button, tap to open, tap continue. So we claim this premium Arctic logo. Let's check it out in the locker room. Tap the locker room, tap the user logo, and this is premium Arctic Soldier logo. Tap confirm. So change save. Let's get back to the home page. As you can see, this is the premium logo of the Arctic Soldier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.